ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready? Are you ready, sir? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it, boys. Hit it 2 times, Austin. Hit it 2 times. Right here we go. See one. He's behind the pallet. There's one in my 12. Shit. I see one, it's my 12. See Austin, he's off to the left. Shit. Yeah, he's on me, he's off to the left, Jacob. He's moving around the edges. Alright boys, round 3, here we go. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Damn, son. I'm trying, bro. I'm out. Round 4, here we go. I see him. Got him. He's off to the left of me. There he is. Covering fire. Round 5, baby. Let's get it. He's moving to the right. He's moving. Is he hit?
Good game.
Did you see me over here?
I did.
Just got snuck around.
I knew. I seen you sneaker. I thought you were gonna get him because the way you coming around. I couldn't see you.
He's a target, yeah. I kind of stuck around.
Yeah, he was able. You had him.
That gun didn't work. I could have got you. I couldn't bang you like
That one's the only one that's still alive. Is yours still alive?
Alright, is that right, boys? Good game, Austin. I lost your gloves, Austin. Lost your gloves.
No, you didn't. You just won them.
I do. I'm gonna buy.
I don't remember where I got it.
I'm gonna buy one of these for real. They're nice.
I don't remember where I got it. It's the only thing.
I'm sure I'll find some somewhere.
But make my own.
That's a wrap for today, I guess.
Yeah, with all the guns dying, pretty much screwed. You can't kind of have to stop.
Yep.
Michael, you mind picking that Gracie or
Yeah, I got you. You want that vest? You can have it.
I don't even have it there, so.
Well, if you want, you can have it.
I was looking for it when I was over there the last match I was
Okay.
on, but it's a little bit small for me anyway.
Yeah, it's on me too.
There you go, Jacob.
Alright guys, it's a wrap. See you guys later.